In this video, we're going to look at using a calculator with your trigonometric functions. Most of the time when you're asked to use your calculator to simplify trig expressions, it really is just typing into the calculator exactly as you see it. And that's what we're going to look at in the first few examples. So in this example, you are told that A is equal to 12,6 degrees and B is equal to 33,4 degrees. And we're going to answer the following correct to 2 decimal places. In the first example, we asked for sine A. So sine A is just going to be sine of 12,6 degrees. Type it into your calculator exactly as you see it, and you get an answer of 0,22, rounded off to 2 decimal places. In the second example, we've got sine 2A. Now, all we need to remember here is that it will be 2 times A. So the sine of 2 times 12,6, and just put 2 times 12,6 in a bracket, sine and push equals, and we get 0,43 rounded off to 2 decimal places. Using the same values for A and B, we asked to calculate 2 sine A. So in this one, we're going to type it in exactly as we see it. So 2 sine of 12,6 degrees is equal to 0,44. Cos of A plus B. First of all, show your substitution on your paper, and then you type it in exactly as you see it. So the cos of, in brackets, 12,6 plus 33,4, close brackets, and you get 0,69. Let's look at one more where it's just straight substitution. First, show your substitution on your page, and you just need to remember that 3A would mean 3 times A. So you've got tan of bracket 3 times 12,6 plus 10 degrees. And if you type that in exactly as you see it, your calculator will do the multiplication first because it does work on BODMAS. And you end up with 1,10. Now, is it necessary to put the 0? Definitely, because they've asked you to round off to 2 decimal places. So make sure you show 2 decimal places. The next two get slightly trickier. We need to work out cos squared A. Now, as soon as you push cos on your calculator, it makes space for the angle. It doesn't give you space to put in the squared. So what we would need to do is actually work out cos of 12,6 first and then square it. So if you put cos of 12,6 in brackets and then square the bracket, you will get the correct answer. So as soon as there is a square involved, work out cos of the angle first and then square your answer. And finally, how would we work with a reciprocal? If we look at question G, it says 2 cosec A. Now on our calculators, we don't have place for cosec, we don't have a button for cosec. But remember, if we just look at the third letter, which in this case is an S, we know that cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So instead of writing cosec A, I can write 1 over sine A. So 2 cosec A will be 2 over sine of 12,6. So on your calculator, you just write 2 divided by sine of 12,6 equals, and you end up with 9,17, correct to 2 decimal places. So if you asked any substitutions with a reciprocal, just identify the reciprocal of that function that you're given and change multiplication to division, and that will give you the correct answer. Thanks for watching Max Maths. If you liked what you saw, please like, share and subscribe.